Ever wondered why pencils are so important in the music classroom? Well, it may seem like a simple tool, but its role is far more complex and crucial than you might think. Firstly, pencils are indispensable for notation, musical notation, that is. It's the language of music, the written expression of rhythm, pitch, and sound dynamics. When a melody dances in a student's mind, it's the humble pencil that transcribes these ephemeral notes into a tangible form. Here, the pencil is a bridge between the mind and the music sheet, allowing for the birth of a composition. Secondly, pencils are the silent partners in the process of learning and practicing. Imagine a student grappling with a challenging piece. A pencil becomes a tool for marking, reminding, and guiding. It helps highlight tricky parts, jot down helpful hints, or underline key changes. It's like a personal coach whispering advice in the margins of the music sheet. Thirdly, the pencil is instrumental for feedback. Teachers use it to communicate corrections, suggestions, and praise. A tick here, a comment there, each mark is a signpost guiding students on the path to improvement. The pencil, in this sense, becomes a medium of dialogue between the teacher and the student, an essential part of the learning process. Lastly, the pencil is a symbol of the temporary and the evolving. Music, like life, is not always about getting it right the first time. It's about trial and error, about making adjustments, about growth. The pencil, with its erasable lead, embodies this spirit of change and development. It allows for errors, encourages adjustments, and celebrates progress. So to recap, the pencil in the music classroom is more than just a writing tool. It plays a vital role in musical notation, learning and practice, teacher-student communication, and the process of learning from mistakes and evolving. It's a silent but powerful ally in the journey of music education, a testament to the beauty of simplicity, and a reminder that even the most ordinary objects can have extraordinary roles. So the next time you pick up a pencil in a music class, remember, you're not just holding a tool, you're holding a key to understanding, expression, and growth in the world of music.